Hello, I'm Sofia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to practice 300 of the most common English sentences used in everyday life. These sentences are simple, useful, and perfect for A1 to A2 English learners. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and try to speak along with me. Let's begin. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm very well. How about you? What's your name? My name is Sophia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Azerbaijan. Where do you live? I live in Baku. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. I speak a little English. I'm learning English. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. No problem. That's okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It's all right. What are you doing? I'm studying. I'm working. I'm watching TV. I'm listening to music. I'm reading a book. I'm cooking. I'm cleaning. I'm relaxing. I'm talking to my friend. Where are you going? I'm going home. I'm going to work. I'm going to school. I'm going outside. Are you busy? Yes, I'm busy. No, I'm free. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I'm not ready yet. Wait a minute. Give me a minute. Just a moment. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Come with me. Let's go. Let's start. Let's stop. Let's wait. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What day is it today? Today is Monday. What are you doing today? I'm staying at home. What did you do today? I went to work. How was your day? It was good. It was great. It was okay. I'm tired. I'm very tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm worried. I'm excited. I'm feeling good. I don't feel well. What happened? Nothing happened. What's wrong? Nothing is wrong. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Don't worry. Everything is fine. I think so. I don't think so. Maybe. Maybe later. I'm not sure. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Really? Yes, really. That's interesting. That's great. That's good. That's nice. I like it. I don't like it. I love it. I don't know. I know. I remember. I don't remember. I forgot. I understand. I don't understand. I agree. I don't agree. You're right. That's right. You're wrong. I'm sorry. It's my mistake. It's not your fault. What do you mean? What does that mean? Can you explain it? I need help. I need some time. I need a break. I need some water. I need to go. I want to go. I want to stay. I want to eat. I want to sleep. I want to talk. I want to learn. I want to improve my English. I have a question. Can I ask you something? Can you tell me? Can you show me? Can you wait? Can you come here? Can you call me? Call me later. Send me a message. I'll call you later. I'll see you later. I'll be back soon. I'm on my way. I'm almost there. Where are you? I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm outside. I'm inside. I'm here. I'm there. Come in. Go outside. Stay here. Wait here. Look at this. Look at that. Listen to me. Listen carefully. Look carefully. Be careful. Take your time. Don't hurry. Hurry up. Don't worry. Don't forget. Remember this. Try again. Try your best. It's easy. It's difficult. It's not difficult. I can do it. I can't do it. I can help you. I can't help you right now. I need to think. Let me think. Let me see. Let me check. Just a second. One moment, please. What do you want? I don't want anything. What do you need? I don't need anything. Do you need anything? Yes, I need some help. No, I'm fine. What do you like? I like music. I like movies. I like reading. I like walking. What do you usually do? I usually get up early. I usually have breakfast. I usually go to work. I usually come home in the evening. What time do you get up? I get up at 7. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? I want something simple. Are you thirsty? Yes, I'm thirsty. Do you want some water? Yes, please. No, thank you. Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. I'd like some tea. What are you looking at? I'm looking at my phone. Who are you talking to? I'm talking to my friend. Who is that? That's my brother. Who is she? She's my sister. Who is he? He's my friend. Do you have a family? Yes, I do. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Where is your family? They are at home. Are you alone? Yes, I'm alone. No, I'm with my family. What's your phone number? I'll send it to you. Do you have a phone? Yes, I do. What's your email address? I'll send you an email. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm free. No, I'm busy tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm not sure yet. Let's meet tomorrow. What time should we meet? Let's meet at 5. That sounds good. See you tomorrow. See you soon. See you later. Have a good day. Have a nice evening. Good night. Sleep well. Take care. Goodbye. Good morning. How did you sleep? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. I'm still tired. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7. Did you have breakfast? Yes, I had breakfast. What did you have? I had some bread. Are you going to work? Yes, I'm going to work. What time do you leave? I leave at 8. Are you coming home early? Yes, I'll come home early. What are you doing tonight? I'm staying home tonight. Do you have any plans? No, I don't have any plans. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about my future. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. Do you think so? Yes, I do. I hope so. I hope everything is okay. I'm glad to hear that. That makes me happy. I'm happy for you. Good luck. Thank you. You're very kind. That's very nice of you. Don't be late. I'll be on time. See you soon. I'll see you later. Where were you? I was at home. What were you doing? I was watching a movie. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I enjoyed it. Was it good? Yes, it was very good. What happened next? I don't remember. What time did you come home? I came home at 9. Were you alone? No, I was with my friend. Who was with you? My brother was with me. What did you talk about? We talked about work. Did you have a good time? Yes, we had a good time. Are you feeling better? Yes, I feel much better. Are you feeling sick? No, I feel fine. Do you need anything? No, thank you. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Can I do something for you? Yes, please. What can I do? Please open the door. Can you close the window? Sure, no problem. Can you turn on the light? Yes, just a second. Can you turn it off? Of course. Is the door open? Yes, it is. Is the window closed? No, it's open. Where is my phone? It's on the table. Where are my keys? They're in your bag. Where is your bag? It's in my room. Have you seen my phone? No, I haven't. I found it. Where did you find it? It was on the sofa. What are you looking for? I'm looking for my keys. Here they are. Thank you so much. You're welcome. What's this? It's my book. What's that? That's my bag. Whose phone is this? It's mine. Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. Is that your jacket? No, it isn't mine. Whose is it? I think it's hers. What color is it? It's black. What color do you like? I like blue. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. What's your favorite food? I like many different foods. What do you like to do? I like listening to music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you like movies? Yes, I love movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like funny movies. Do you like reading? Yes, I do. What do you like to read? I like simple books. Do you like walking? Yes, I like walking. Where do you usually walk? I usually walk in the park. Do you like mornings? Yes, I do. Do you like evenings? Yes, evenings are nice. What is your favorite day? I like Saturday. Why do you like Saturday? Because I can relax. What do you do on weekends? I usually stay home. Do you go out often? Sometimes I go out. Who do you go with? I usually go with my friends. Do you have many friends? Yes, I have some good friends. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Anna. How long have you known her? I've known her for a long time. Do you talk every day? Yes, we talk every day. What do you talk about? We talk about everything. Do you like talking on the phone? Yes, sometimes. Do you prefer messages? Yes, I usually send messages. Did you get my message? Yes, I got it. Why didn't you answer? I was busy. Sorry for the late reply. That's okay. No worries. It's not a problem. Don't worry about it. I understand. I'm glad you understand. Can we talk later? Yes, we can. What time? Maybe at 6. That's fine with me. See you then. Have a great day. You too. Have a good weekend. Thanks, you too. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Take care of yourself. I will. Stay safe. You too. See you tomorrow. See you next time. Goodbye.